Hello everybody, so today I am going to be showing you how to make a car with some storage things. I have my upper teeth fallen off. It just naturally fell off without using string, soccer ball, humans, nothing. It just bounced around in my mouth. This is the storage thing, and here's the car. So I'm going to rip it apart, rebuild it, tell you how to do it, and yeah, post it on YouTube. These are all of the pieces you will need to build this car and storage. This is the piece you would need for almost the entire car build. Without it, you won't make it function. Then you would need this piece. Put this at the very two bolts. This piece. Without it, you can't make it. But if you have another piece just like that, you should put them at the two bolts. Boom, goes through. This piece with these two bolts that actually connect to the side, 1x3 to here. And this particularly curved one, and you're done with the first one. Let's do the second one. You see there? That's when we put these two. A 1x4 to here. The smooth 2x2. Attach it over there. This 2x1, a 1x1 stud of the smooth piece, and another 1x1 stud of the smooth piece. Final step is to add a steering wheel. It's a 2x1. Add it over to there, and yeah, whole entire front is done. Add this 2x4. Put it over here. Boom. Regular 1x1 white things. And put them over there. Put it here. This piece, the curved one. Put it at the back for the spoiler. Then you need two of these curved pieces and put them here and here. Add the people inside, and the final touch is to put the wheels in. I choose these black wheels. And then you need this piece with these two things that's missing. And then look, they're actually twins. You know why? They connect up. Just for extra detail, you know. Put this kind of piece here. Now I prefer to do a pattern of white, yellow, and white, yellow. Da-da-da-da. Your storage system is done. That's all for today, people. See you at the next episode. Please subscribe. Everything is pointing to the subscribe button. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you next time on